Today we will be discussing the Summary tab. The Summary tab is useful for prioritizing all of your location's current data into a straightforward view without the need of scrolling through the well site display. This here is the well site display, and we can see all of the information that we need for this site, the UWI, serial number, and so on, as well as all of our sensors. Here, if we select the Summary tab, we can see here that it does have all of the locations the last transmitted, as well as the sensors that we do have set up for this. One thing about the Summary tab is that we can create specific sensors that we want to have a look at. For example, the truck view here. So we will go through and indicate and show how to create what your display will look like. Back here, we will see that it still has all the same information. We have the live data screen, the options screen here, the menus and reporting. As well, we can export from the screen. In the icon here, we can see the UWI, device type, serial number, IP address, etc. So we still have the same information. The colors will also indicate any alarms that have been triggered. In the gray here, we have the no communications alarm that has been set and has not communicated or transmitted in the past 24 hours. In the yellow or orange here, these are the high-low alarms that have been triggered. And in the red, we have the high-high, low-low, or smart aleck cry-out alarm that has been triggered. As well, the fonts themselves will indicate in the black we have the live data. In the green we have any alarms that have been set up for this site. And in the gray this is the stale data and has not transmitted for more than 24 hours. In order to set up the Summary tab and have it in the options that we would like, we can go into Admin Center and into Summary Configuration. Here we have the ones that have already been set up, but we're going to go ahead and add that here. So what we can do is now we'll enter in a name. We'll put it under test for now, and we can enter in the sensors that we would like to have available for us on that Summary tab. So let's select differential pressure, estimated volume, flow integral, and let's go one more and do the sales gas volume. So now we've got these 4 sensors that we would like to add to our tab, and we can select Save. And now we see here that this has come up. We can edit this to add or delete any of the sensors that we have. We can add locations to this category, or we can delete this. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a specific run. This is extremely helpful if you were going to be doing this on Zedi Go as well. So what I'm going to do here is I've created a Summary tab demo run, and we can select Assign and select OK. So now we can go back in, and what we can do is we can go into our runs, have a look, and now we see our demo screen that I've set up. And now this is the test tab that I have created. And we can see here the differential pressure, estimated volume, the flow integral, and gas and sales gas volume that I've created. So this is also extremely helpful on Zedi Go as well. This will automatically flow into that, and you will be able to see it from any of your devices. Please do not hesitate to call or email if you have any questions, and thank you very much for joining us today.